So I wanted to make a really quick video about the grab handles that are offered in the Polo 6R sold in India. And the present grab handles that we have, well, they don't have a damper built inside them. So when you let go of them, they slap the roof liner and it's really an annoying noise. Here, and this is at the back. Get a coat hanger at the back over here. Annoying noise as it hits the roof liner. Super annoying. So I have with me today both kind of grab handles that are sold on the Polo 6R. The one on the top is the Indian spec grab handle, and it only has a spring that helps it get back to the roof, but it does not have a damper inside. 6RF857607, no damper in this part, and this is the spring which goes back, and this is where it fits. So I'm just going to take this new handle and just put it back in there, and this is the difference that it made. See, this is the difference. I will be showing you how I replace these, and it's really simple, but I just want to show you the difference that this small retrofit made. Just for perspective. And no longer does the damped grab handle slap the roof, and that annoying sound that you would get is no longer there. New one. I'm going to test the new grab handles to see if they have been inserted correctly and if they're tight, and then we can move to seeing how I replace them to begin with. So replacing the stock grab handles with ones with dampers, it took less than 2 minutes to replace all 3 handles in the car, and you don't need any special tool. You only need a small pulling pin which has already been provided to you in the boot. Here I get this tool, pull it out like this right here, and I do the same over here, and then just pull the handle out. Refitting the grab handles is pretty simple. All you have to do is push them back into place and they should just get locked in. A huge shout out to BHP and Gannu for making a detailed video on how to remove and refit these grab handles, and also for making quite a few threads on how to retrofit a damper in the existing grab handles. No more sound. You can see this is the damper which is at work. This one right here. I personally feel I lack the patience needed to modify these grab handles to perfection, and so I just picked the easy way out and picked up grab handles with dampers built inside them from Europe. So that's pretty much it for this quick and simple video. Do let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.